You are going to love the 2026 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, LED headlights, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Create lasting memories with your loved ones.